Did you know over 90% of people worldwide suffer from at least one vitamin deficiency? Vitamin D deficiency affects an estimated 1 billion people, impacting immunity, bone health, and mood. But it's not just vitamin D, B12, vitamin A, and magnesium deficiencies are also widespread. If you feel sluggish or get sick often, it might be due to hidden nutrient gaps. The good news is that simple supplements can restore balance and boost your well-being. Maintaining optimal health can be challenging with busy lifestyles and diets lacking essential nutrients. Multivitamins and supplements help fill nutritional gaps, supporting immunity, energy, and overall wellness. They provide essential nutrients like vitamin A, C, D, B12, magnesium, and more, which are critical for immunity, energy, healthy skin, and heart health. Supplements not only help treat deficiencies but can also prevent health issues. Whether you need energy, focus, or general wellness, multivitamins are an easy, proactive way to improve health. Poor nutrition can cause fatigue, weak immunity, digestive issues, and chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. Supplements like B12, vitamin D, magnesium, and calcium can address these issues and promote better health. For fatigue, lack of B12, vitamin D, and iron are common culprits. Supplementing with these can restore energy. For immune support, deficiencies in vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin D can weaken the system. Probiotics, vitamin C, or zinc can help bolster immunity. For digestion, magnesium and probiotics improve gut health. Calcium and vitamin D support strong bones, while omega-3 fatty acids can help with heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering cholesterol. Supplements can be a simple way to bridge these nutritional gaps and support long-term health. Here's a breakdown of common supplements and their benefits. General multivitamins. These provide a broad range of essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, C, D, B12, magnesium, and zinc. They boost immunity, energy, and support bone health. Vitamin D supports bone health, immunity, and mood regulation. Opt for vitamin D3 for better absorption. Omega-3, fish oil, reduces inflammation, improves heart health, supports brain function, and promotes healthy skin. Choose supplements with high EPA and DHA ratios. Probiotics, enhance gut health, digestion, and immunity. Look for those with multiple strains of bacteria and at least 1 billion CFUs per serving. Magnesium, relieves muscle cramps, reduces stress, supports heart and bone health, and improves sleep quality. Calcium, vital for strong bones and teeth, and supports muscle and nerve function. Combine with vitamin D for better absorption. B-complex, supports energy levels, brain function, and mental clarity. Look for methylcobalamin B12 for better absorption. Iron, treats iron deficiency anemia, boosts energy, and supports red blood cell production. Choose ferrous bisglycinate for gentler absorption. After thorough analysis of various platforms, customer reviews, and ingredient profiles, my channel, The Guiding Light, highlights the most effective supplements designed to support and improve your health condition. Key factors to consider: quality, formulation, bioavailability, and specific health needs are crucial when choosing supplements. Choose reputable brands and ensure the nutrients align with your health goals. Incorporating multivitamins into your routine helps fill nutritional gaps, support your immune system, boost energy, and promote skin, bone, and heart health. Choose a multivitamin based on your specific health needs for optimal results. Top recommended multivitamins and supplements: Nature made multi for him and her. Gender-specific formulations with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, C, D, and B vitamins for energy, immune support, and overall health. Garden of Life Vitamin Code Raw 1, organic, whole food ingredients with probiotics and enzymes to enhance absorption and gut health. Optimum Nutrition Optimen, OptiWoman, tailored for active lifestyles. This supplement includes 75 plus active ingredients to support energy, muscle recovery, and overall wellness. Thorne Research Basic Nutrients 2 per day, high quality, bioavailable nutrients with no artificial additives, perfect for those seeking an effective daily nutrient boost. Mega Food 1 Daily, made from organic fruits and vegetables. This supplement is gentle on the stomach and ideal for individuals with sensitivities. Kirkland Signature Daily Multi, affordable yet effective. This multivitamin offers essential nutrients like vitamin C, D, calcium, and zinc. New chapter Every Woman's 1 Daily, organic, fermented ingredients tailored for women's health, supporting immunity, bone health, and energy levels. Pure Encapsulations, Nutrient 950 with K2, comprehensive formula with vitamin K2 for bone and cardiovascular health, hypoallergenic and high potency. Solgar Earth Sauce Multi-nutrient, plant-based, antioxidant-rich formula with chelated minerals for better absorption and overall health. Choosing the right multivitamin depends on your individual health goals. Whether for energy, immunity, or bone health, the right supplement can enhance your overall well-being. Share your experiences with supplements in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Liked what you saw? Hit the like button, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Guiding Light for more expert insights and health tips. Stay enlightened and join our journey to better health.